अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम किरण परवीन, योर पीएचडी टीचर। आज के जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट इज़ सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान, अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट, एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फ्रॉम फर्स्ट चैप्टर. So today we'll go through this topic. Hopefully you would enjoy. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, he was born in 1817 and he was died in 1898. He was born in 1817 in Delhi. His father's name was Mir Muttaqi and he was from such a religious family. He got his starting education from his father. So this is the background of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and his contributions. There are so much contribution from Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, a great visionary statesman and a Muslim reformer. Basically, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan reformed the Muslim society. He was the first person who talked about education. Greatest achievement and contribution was his Aligarh movement, which was an educational venture. He was the first Muslim to contribute to the intellectual and institutional foundation of Muslim modernization in South Asia. He was the first Muslim. इससे पहले किसी ने भी एजुकेशन के ऊपर काम नहीं किया. किस हवाले से? सब कॉन्टिनेंट के मुसलमानों के हवाले से. He talked about modernization and scientific education in Southern Asia. His educational caravans reached everywhere. Educational vision. Supreme interest was education. It was his main purpose to educate Muslim society, and for this purpose he established many schools, magazines and other things as well. He reached to the conclusion that the lack of education was main cause of community backwardness. Even from 15th century till 18th century, Muslims were ruling in the subcontinent, Mughal Empire. But at that time, we also didn't realize the importance of education. And he created a scientific temperament among the Muslims of India to make modern knowledge of science available to them. It was his main educational vision. Then what was his educational services? Gulshan School, Muradabad, established in 1859. Victoria School, Ghazipur, 1863. Scientific Society, 1864. He established Aligarh Institute Gazette, 1866. Visit of England from 1869 to 1870. Khutbat Ahmadiyya, 1869. Tehzeeb-ul Akhlaq, 1870. And one of the most famous school, MAO School, it was established in 1875 and it changed into college in 1877. In 1920, it rose like a university. It is still one of the best university of India. Then Mohammedan Education Conference, 1886. MAO University, 1920. These all are his educational services which he did for the Muslim of the subcontinent. Educational revolution. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan Aligarh movement influenced the Muslim in this country. It influenced a lot. Muslims started talking about education, started talking about their rights, and he was interested in spreading education and empowerment among the people. Organized the Mohammedans, later Muslim Educational Conference. The All India Muslim League was founded in 1906 in an annual meeting of this conference. This conference carried the message of modern education far and wide. This is a picture, Mohammedans Education Conference, All India Mohammedans Education Conference, Aligarh. This is the main place where they think and where they establish All India Muslim League as well. Now we will talk about Sir Syed achievements. His famous quote is that a true Muslim is one who must have the Holy Quran in one hand and the science in the other. Because at that time Muslims were thinking that Islam and Quran and Western education is totally different. He said no, रियल मुसलमान ही वही है जो साइंटिफिक तरीक़ों पे अमल करते हुए कुरान को जो है वो साथ लेते हुए चले। कुरान जो है वो हमें बेसिकली इट गिव अस साइंटिफिक एजुकेशनल एज वेल। तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि मुसलमान होने का मकसद ये हरगिज़ नहीं है कि आप वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन को जो है वो बिल्कुल साइड में लगा दें, बल्कि उसमें रिसर्च करें अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर होली कुरान। Today's Aligarh Muslim University has produced innumerable doctors, engineers, scientists, poets and writers who are working in all over the world. He is known the founder of two nation theory and he is known as the father of Pakistan movement. Basically before Sir Syed Ahmad Khan there were no person who talk about two nation theory. He was the first man who said that Muslim and Hindus are two different nations, and he said कि अभी आप जल्दी या बाद में but we are to get a separate country for Muslims. They could not live together. Their way of life, their religion, their customs, each and everything is totally different. So he was the first person who realized this difference, and he is known as the father of Pakistan movement. As we have got Pakistan, we are living in an independent country. So just because of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, उन्होंने इस पाकिस्तान की बुनियाद रखी थी। उन्होंने मुसलमान को ये रियलाइज़ करवाया था कि we could not live with Hindus. अदरवाइज उससे पहले मुसलमान सेपरेट कंट्री के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे थे। दे वर जस्ट थिंकिंग कि यहाँ से हिंदुस्तान से जो है वो अंग्रेज़ों को भेजा जाए, बट ही रियलाइज कि असल जो उसका सलूशन है दैट इज़ अ सेपरेट कंट्री फॉर मुस्लिम्स। नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट कंक्लूजन। डॉक्टर अल्लामा इकबाल स्टेटेड what he said. He says the real greatness of the man Sir Syed Ahmad Khan consists in the fact that he was the first Indian Muslim who felt the need of a fresh orientation of Islam and worked for it. कि मुसलमानों के दरमियान जो इस्लाम के से मुतालिक गलत फहमियाँ मौजूद थी उनको दूर किया। उन्होंने क्लियर किया कि इस्लाम और एजुकेशन जो है दो अलग चीज़ें नहीं हैं। इस्लाम टॉक्स अबाउट एजुकेशन। बेसिकली आवर लास्ट प्रॉफिट सेज कि अगर तुम्हें तालीम हासिल करनी हो एजुकेशन के लिए, अगर तुम्हें चीन भी जाना पड़े तो तुम जाओ, यानी इस्लाम हमें तालीम हासिल करने से नहीं रोकता। सो ही वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन after the darkness period in the subcontinent, who favored education, who talk about education, और मुसलमानों को एक नई उन्होंने उमंग दी, एक नए रास्ते पे डाला उन्होंने। अदरवाइज मुसलमान जो हैं बहुत पीछे रह गए थे। हिंदूज वाज क्वाइट बेटर एंड यू कैन से बहुत आगे निकल गए थे एजुकेशन में, और मुसलमान जो है वो दूर दूर तक तालीम से उनका वास्ता जो है वो ख़त्म होता जा रहा था। सो ही रियलाइज्ड कि असल जो इम्पोर्टेंस है दैट इज़ एजुकेशन। एजुकेशन कैन चेंज आवर फ्यूचर इन दिस सब कॉन्टिनेंट एंड ही वर्क फॉर इट। सिर्फ बोला नहीं उन्होंने, ही स्ट्रगल फॉर दिस थिंग, इट वॉज हिज ग्रेट एफर्ट। थैंक यू जी, टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ completed now, and if there is any questions, any query, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो आपको समझ में ना आई हो, so you can ask question. I am available on WhatsApp. आपको जो चीज़ समझ में ना आई हो, but before watching this presentation, I must refer you to read the topic in your book. हर presentation को जो है ख़त्म करने से पहले, शुरू करने से पहले जो है वो आप अपना टॉपिक ज़रूर पढ़ा करें। Then it would be quite helpful for you to understand, and topic would be quite easy for you as well. So hopefully you have understood. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.